I know you know what is SIP, but do you know what is Step Up SIP? Hi, welcome back to our channel. I am your host Riya, and today we are gonna discuss about the much talked topic Step Up SIP. But before that, do subscribe to our channel and download the Freedom app. Before we dive into Step Up SIP, let's quickly understand what is SIP. Well, SIP is a popular investment method that allows you to invest a fixed amount of money into a mutual fund or any other investment scheme at regular time intervals, usually monthly. So as you can see it on your screen, the monthly amount is 5,000 rupees with an expected return rate per annum being 12%. Now the time period I have kept here is 20 years. So the invested amount is 12 lakh. The returns that we are getting is 37 lakh 95,740 rupees, and the total value is somewhere around to 50 lakh rupees. 50 lakh is a huge amount after 20 years. So SIP are a powerful tool for building wealth over a time through discipline and consistent investing. But what if I told you that with the same amount of money invested for the same number of years, but returns will be double in number because of a very small change? Then yes, I am talking about Step Up SIP, also known as Top Up SIP, that allows you to gradually increase your investment amount over time with increase in your income. Now, as you can see it on your screen, the monthly investment amount is 5,000 with the expected return rate per annum being 12% only, and the time period is also same, which is 20 years. But what changed here is the annual step up, which I have put 10%. Now, if you see, the total invested amount has increased from 12 lakh to 34 lakh 36,500. So has the returns. The returns are now 65 lakh 7,858, and the total value is 99 lakh 44,358, which is close to 1 CR. Now the question is, where can you find this step up option, and can you do it by yourself or not? So if you're already investing, you can check with your financial advisor, or as you can see here on the screen, first we open the app, then we go to mutual funds. Now here we go to SIP options. So on your screen, you can see we already have the SIPs that are currently going on. Now you can select any one SIP. So I am selecting ICICI Prudential Nifty Small Cap. Now you can see there is an add step up option. All you have to do is click on that. Now you can either increase the amount in numbers, or in fact you can do it in the percentage. There is also two options for every 6 months or every 1 year. So I have selected 500 rupees after every 6 months. So automatically now after every 6 months, 500 rupees extra will be credited from my account into this particular SIP. If you want to do it for 1 year, you can change it to 1 year. If you want to keep it to 6 months, you can keep that to 6 months. Or if you want to change the amount number, that also you can do. Now, what are the benefits of Step Up SIP? As your income increases, your SIP contribution grows proportionally, allowing you to invest a larger proportion of your earnings without manual adjustments. Second, by increasing your investment amount, you hedge against inflation's erosive effect on your purchasing power. Third, the growing investment amount translates to potentially achieving your financial goals quicker compared to regular SIP. Lastly, power of compounding, where your returns generates further returns, accelerating wealth creation. Now that's the magic of Step Up SIP. However, before jumping to start with Step Up SIP, make sure you correctly anticipate your income growth. By aligning your investments with your income trajectory, you can harness the power of compounding and potentially achieve your financial goals faster. That's all for today, folks. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure you follow the channel and do not forget to download the Freedom app. This is your host Riya. Take care. Goodbye.